If you're like me, a 7-year-old kid, you must have wondered how to do the Sumifs function in Excel. Sumifs contain a sum range and one or more criteria and criteria ranges. Let's take a look at this table as an example. To sum all the values for Dave, first we type the equal sign in Sumifs, then hit Tab. Now select the range to sum, which is column C. Hit comma. Next, we select the range that has all the criteria, which is column B. Hit comma again. Lastly, we enter our criterion, which is Dave. Hit enter and voila! We get the answer 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Our Sumifs worked.